Okay, Miss Ringo, I will read your question twice. If you are a rainbow, what message will you bring to all the people about the LGBT community in general? Once again, if you are a rainbow, what message will bring to all the people about the LGBT community in general?
Wait,
Your
timer
60
starts
seconds starts now.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Scientifically speaking, a rainbow is a combination of prismatic colors after a rain. And we cannot deny the fact that even if there are a lot of LGBT representations today, we are somehow discussed in our laws and somehow we have representations in media. 2026, up to this day, we are not yet fully accepted. We are just tolerated. There is a huge difference between acceptance and tolerance. And that rain that I'm talking about, just one example, is those guys throwing stones at us. They always pick us. In our gender identity, regardless of what they do, we are still here, willing to love, willing to share, and above all else, willing to sacrifice, just like a rainbow after a rain. Thank you.
Very well said.
Wow.
1 to 15. 3. Number 3.
this is your question.
And this is your question, Karen.
I will read it twice. Your question is, if you are a butterfly, would you rather choose to evolve into a beautiful butterfly or remain to be a pupa forever? Again, if you are a butterfly, would you rather choose to be evolved into a beautiful butterfly or remain to be a pupa forever? Are you ready? Okay. Your timer starts now.
We all know that by the process of metamorphosis, a pupa will definitely become a beautiful butterfly. And of course, I want to become a beautiful butterfly. Why? I don't want to remain pupa because I don't want my life to be stagnant. In our life, we will face a lot of challenges. But even though we fall, stumble and fall, we will emerge stronger, wiser individual. And if I would be able to become a beautiful butterfly, I am very happy to spread my wings, to add beauty and color in this wonderful world. Thank you and good evening.
Very well said. You are beautiful butterfly, Miss Gal,
Miss
Marie
Gal.
Garcia.
And she chose number 8. I will read your question twice. If you are a puzzle piece, what makes the life of a trans woman incomplete? Again, if you are a puzzle piece, what makes the life of a trans woman incomplete? Your 60 seconds starts now.
If life of a trans woman is a puzzle, what part is it? What makes it incomplete? I wouldn't go any further. We all know, my dear board of judges, that in the life of a trans woman, they always keep saying that we will not never ever experience true love. Let's just admit it. They always say na peperahan lang kami, hindi kami totoong mamahalin. But I always believe that we are like everybody else. We are also created by we are also created by God, and we are also human beings. We have a heart. We do have a feeling. I am standing here in front of you, willingly saying that I am willing to love, to be accepted, and we should always spread love here in this humanity. Magmahalan po tayong lahat, at kahit po kami bakla, naniniwala po ako, may isang taong nararapat po kaming mahalin at tanggapin. Magandang gabi po.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, Miss Bing. Ikaw, Patty, ilang taong ka nag-start?
Ano, kahapon na.
Ako nga, tapit hapon na ng buhay ko, nag-start ako mag-Miss Bing. Okay, Nick, pili ka ng numbers 1 to 15 exempting my ex. Number 6. Your lucky number. Correct. This is your question, Miss Nicole. If you are a clock, what moment in your life as a trans woman would you go back to change and why? Again, if you are a clock, what moment in your life as a trans woman would you go back to change and why? Wait, your timer starts now.
Thank you for a very interesting question. But as a transgender woman, I will never ever change something in my life as a transgender woman because this is me. This is who I am, and I am proud of myself. Ladies and gentlemen, whatever happens to me in the past, it made me the person that I am today. Not hard as a diamond, but I know that I am strong enough to win my fight. And ladies and gentlemen, that being a transgender in this society is not to diminish our humanity. My own purpose is living, is to love and to be loved, to be respected in return. And that is what I aim for, to become an inspiration to each and everyone. Thank you very much.
Wow!
Wow, ang ganda naman ni Miss Aubrey Martin. I love your gown. Who made your gown? Mami, ano daw? Sino gumawa ng gown mo? Candidate
Ako po.
number 5. DIY, wow!
It's from Bermudez Collection by Mommy Alexis Bermudez. Thank you so much, my mother, for tonight.
Okay, Paige.
The one and all.
Pa-page lang po muna yung feeling ko ready ka na ngayon. Tama ba ako?
No. You're not right.
Kaya mo yan, Bel. Naniniwala ako sa'yo.
Pumili ka na ng number mo, candidate number 5.
So, kinakabahan ka ba? Gusto mo dibdibang kita? Kaya mo yan, Bel. Yung turo mo, hingang malalim. Buga.
Buga.
Pataas.
Okay, question number 12. Babasahin ko siya ng 2 beses. Ito na ang iyong katanungan. If you were a chapter in history, what moment in your life as a trans woman that you would people to remember you by? If you were a chapter in history, what moment in your life as a trans woman that you would like people to remember you by?
Parang pa-flash ulit.
Saba.
Pa-flash
Isa
ulit.
pa. Pa-flash ulit ng tanong sa screen. Kung ikaw daw ba ay isang chapter sa history, anong moment sa buhay mo bilang isang transgender ay gusto mong maalala ka ng tao? Your 60 seconds starts now.
If I would become a history, I would like you to know that I am a breadwinner of the family. And I would like to share it to all of you that being a transgender woman in this society is not just like a simple transgender. It is a history that I am today. I am joining this pageant right now, not because for myself. It's just because I will need to send my siblings to school, to help my family, and to be part of the Philippine history as a transgender woman. Thank you so much.
Oh, di ba? I
Abo.
love it. Chuk siya.
Kinakabahan ka pa nun,
Oh, di ba? Nakachuk siya.
Naitawid niya in fairness.
Pasabog.
Diba?
How are you feeling right now?
Feeling great. Thank you very much for asking. How about yourself?
Grade 2.
How about you, my lord?
Grade 3.
I'm very good. Meron ka mga fans doon, ano gusto mong sabihin sa kanila?
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa mga taong sumusuporta ngayong gabi. Knowing na on my previous pageant, maputi ang entrada natin sa stage. But now, I am very happy that you all love this new look. Morena girl.
I love it as well. It looks good on you.
Parang ang kapatid ni Patricia pa yun mo.
My little sister. Okay, pili ka na ng number mo.
My lucky number, number 9.
This is your question. If you are a compass, as a trans woman, How will you convince a person that you're capable of being a leader? Capable of being a leader. Again, if you are a compass as a trans woman, how will you convince a person that you capable of being a leader? Okay? Wait lang, pag nag-flash na yung timer. Your timer starts, paulit po. Your timer starts now.
Thank you very much. As a compass, we all know that compass is actually a used tool that we can use for us to go to our destination. It can lead us to north, east, south, and west. And I will convince everyone that I am capable to being a leader because I am an empathetic queen. I know how to put myself on someone's shoes. I can use my eyes to see the problem in our community. I will use my hand to help each and every one. And I can use my heart to touch someone's life and inspire them to aspire doing good things. I believe that we should live as if we will die tomorrow. And we should learn as if we will live forever. Good evening.
Very well said.
Wow, what a strong answer.
O, diba? Ganun-ganun pa siya.
Very
Oh,
GB, Robot.
sige.
Bigyan natin ng chance. Okay, go.
Ganon.
At baka isa pa po, Miss Yen. Di ba? Gusto niya yan. Tatalon sa stage. Napakaganda mo ngayon, Miss Yen La Victoria.
Kamusta ka? Yes?
Okay lang po.
Ah,
Lahat kayo, nag-enjoy ngayong gabi.
ikaw ba yung sikat na memes?
Nag-enjoy po ba kayong lahat?
Sige, pag nahipan ka ng hangin.
Okay lang. Tatanggapin ko bukas yung puso. Dahil sabi nga nila, may mga bagay na kailangan natin tanggapin na hindi natin mababalik ko. So kaya kung hipan ako ng hangin, tatanggapin ko yun. Basta, huwag lang mabahong hininga. Maraming salamat po, Eloy! Thank you!
I love it.
Hello, Chucho.
Dahil dyan, pumili ka na ng
Oh,
tobo.
yun din kanina, okay na rin siya. Okay na po yun, di ba, mga judges? Pasok.
Pumili ka ng isa dyan.
Number 3, Aubrey. Aubrey Martin.
My lucky number 5.
Five.
Okay, so I will read the question twice. Yang, if you are a mountain as a trans woman, what have you stood up for recently and how it has affected you as an individual? Again, if you are a mountain as a trans woman, what have you stood up for recently and how it has affected you as an individual? Your 60-second starts now.
Recently, I have fought for equality in our restrooms. Back in my town of Paniki Tarlac, I was not allowed because I am a trans woman just because I was allowed within the female restroom. I believe that as a trans woman, I am a mountain because I will teach those people to open their minds because it is not common or general conscience that we are also human beings. That a comfort room is a space for us to be safe, for us to be in comfort, and not for discrimination. So let's always fight for Soji Bill, because Soji Bill should not alleviate in terms of any single individual. That laws are for every single individual, especially if you're a Filipino in the Philippines. Thank you very much.
Very well said, Miss
Wow.
Mandirigma. Yeah, La Victoria.
all the way from Sorsogon, Bicol for almost 16 hours. However, my heart feels elated that despite being a Bicolana, I can hear the support of the people of Recto. At yun yung baon kong iuwi sa Bicol pag uwi ko. And in fact, naglindol po sa Bicol ng 5.1 magnitude earthquake. So I'm very worried sa family ko, kaya uuwi po ako agad after this.
Keep safe sa family mo.
Number 11 po.
This is your question. If you were alive, what common misconception about the trans community would you want to shed a light on? Again, if you were alive, What common misconception about the trans community would you want to shed and light on? Your timer starts now.
For my 23 years of existence, I have lived my life as a breadwinner in our family. And that is something that I want to dismantle in this society, especially in the trans community, na pag bakla ka, dapat breadwinner ka. Because it places a heavy pressure in our shoulders. It gives us pressure. It sometimes makes us so disappointed in life. And that is what I want to shed a light on. That as a transgender, you deserve to be loved. You deserve to have time for yourself, and you deserve to give time also for yourself, to treat yourself, to go on a fancy restaurants. Because we are not just breadwinners, we are also human beings, and we also deserve the equal treatment that we experience in this society. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. How are you? Marami siyang sasabihin. Tingnan mo. Try.
How are you?
I am feeling fantastic. Eme. Okay. Pero sa iba yan, chilling at classic. You know, because that is one thing that we should always possess when we're on the stage. It is to impress the people.
Sa mga taong nanonood, magkakaibigan po talaga sila lahat. Ganito lang po sila mag-ansyahan on stage.
Pick your number. I would like to choose number 15.
Okay, ML Venus, I will read your question twice. If you were a telephone, who would you want to speak with, and what will you tell or ask that person? If you were a telephone, who would you want to speak with, and what will you tell or ask that person? Your 60 seconds starts now.
Let's go on what is happening in our country right now. If I am a telephone, I would like to have the moment to speak with all of our lawmakers, from the House of Representatives down to the House of the Senate, because this is the high time for them to listen to each and every single Filipino citizen. Matagal na tayong niloloko ng ating gobyerno. Kaya naman, gamitin natin ang ating mga boses upang tayo ay kanilang marinig, tayo ay kanilang maramdaman, at nang makita nila na wala silang ginagawa at lalong naghihirap ang ating bansa. And so, if given a chance, it would be a very little moment to be a telephone, but I would seize that moment and allow me to be heard by these people who should be working for the Philippines. Good evening. Pero ikaw natin ang inaabangan. Love it.
Very obvious. Alahera.
Yes. How much is that?
3,000 USD.
Wow,
Grabe. Ganyan pala yung tsura ng 3,000 US.
Nangungutin mo.
Okay, pumili ka na ng number mo.
I pick number 13.
13.
Go back.
Okay, if you were a mirror, what will you tell a younger you about your life as a trans woman? Again, if you were a mirror, what will you tell a younger you about your life as a trans woman? Your 60 seconds starts now.
Thank you so much.
Bukas pa daw yun.
Your 60 seconds starts now.
Thank you so much for the question. You know, living as a transgender woman, it's very hard. We are being looked as fiasco in our society. However, if I will become a mirror, what one word that I will tell to my younger self is that be proud of what you have become right now. I am facing lots of people who once doubted me, even if it's hard, because of your scrutinizing eyes. I was once reprimanded because of how I look like and what my skin color is. But I get myself vindicated from it because I believe in myself. So that all those people who are doubted themselves, I suggest to believe yourself, because self-belief rewrites the narrative of your life, where impossible faith and narrative of possible takes the center stage. Good evening and thank you so much.
Thank you so much. This is your question. If you are a diamond, what qualities do a trans woman needs to possess in order to shine from the rest? Again, if you are a diamond, yung nawala po yun. If you are a 60 seconds, number 4 po, nawala yung question. Okay, if you are a black, number 4. If you are a Francis Bartisano,
Okay, this is your question. Meron tayo, since this is live, may mga technical difficulties. So, candidate number 16, this is your question. If you are a diamond, what qualities do a trans woman need to possess in order to shine from the rest? I'll repeat.
nawawala daw talaga siya. Baka may timer yung diamond.
If you are If you are a diamond, what qualities does a trans woman need to possess in order to shine from the rest? Your 60 seconds starts now.
In a world that is overwhelmed in a superficial standard, I believe that true beauty reminds us to see beyond the surface. And just like the diamond, whenever it comes, that diamond will always shine. And just like me, if there's a qualities that I should possess as a trans woman, that would be a genuine and authenticity. I came all the way from the province of Isabela, and I am here not just to compete, but to represent what my community, because I believe that in Isabela, we carry the agriculture, and growing up in agriculture, I've seen that every farmers, they struggle. I have seen that they wake up before sunrise. They work under heat, extreme heat, and that is why I would like to possess a diamond in order for me to shine on this national stage, on this very stage, so that I will use my voice, so that I...
Thank you so much, candidate number 16. It's okay, sis. You did great.
To all the contestants, after the Q&A round, meron pala kayo isang round.
Bridge, Miss Billy. How will you connect the trans community to those who are identified as homophobic? Once again, if you were a bridge, how will you connect the trans community to those who are identified as homophobic? Your 60 seconds starts now.
Homophobic people have their reason as to why they hate transgender women. And if I will be a bridge, I will be using education in order for me to connect these people, for them to fully understand what our sexuality means. It is very important that they know where we are coming from, what we are going through, in order for us to get fully accepted. It's because if they are well aware of these challenges that we encounter in our daily life, they will not just feel our struggle, they will understand us and they will accept us. And I hope that if we have people who are homophobic right now, you have seen 26 beautiful ladies. You have seen beautiful, talented contestants. And I hope that seeing that beauty would allow you to give that acceptance to us. Thank you and good evening.
Wow! What
Just
an
right on
answer.
time.
Yak naman.
Pili ka na ng number mo. Question number 1.
This is your question. If you are a shield, how will you protect the trans community from any form of harm? Again, if you are a shield, how will you protect the trans community from any form of harm? Your timer starts now.
Well, indeed, that the LGBTQIA plus community faces a lot of discrimination and harm in everyday lifestyle that we do
in this world. But if I will be a shield, I will use my voice. Some people find it funny, some people find it strange, some people find it cute, some says that it sounds dwarf, Mickey Mouse, or whatsoever. But I will use this voice so that I can amplify the voices of the trans community, so that I can actually say to all the people that we deserve respect, not to be discriminated in this way. In just simple manner, I know that we can be or we can have a common understanding, and I can make the trans community in a full safety. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Miss Aliyah Vilya.
Very nice.
Ito sa Ethel Elocso Dental Clinic San Andres Branch. Kaya kung gusto niya rin maging best man all the way, visit na po. Katabi lang po siya ng Posh and Coco by Honey.
Oh, di ba? Host/promote.
I picked number 14.
Okay, Yaniel, this is your question. If you were a dream, would you want to look into your future and why? If you were a dream, would you want to look into your future and why? You have 60 seconds to finish your answer, and your timer starts. "60 seconds starts
Ay,
now."
start na siya ng pusa. You're 54
You're getting it. Ulit. Take 2.
Your 60 seconds starts now.
If I were a dream, I don't want to look into my future, for I believe in the power of my faith, the power of God, because He is the Almighty God and the Supreme Being. All of us here are questioning our present times and thinking about our future. But come to think of it, if we have our faith in God, if we keep God as the center of our being, then all things will come into places. I don't want to see that I will win Miss Recto tonight, but I want to have that faith in God that He will guide me in order for me to get the crown tonight and to be called as the Supreme Being who will give me the guidance, the wisdom to get the crown tonight. Thank you so much.
Manifest. This is your question. If you are a seal, what advice can you give to a trans nene if she wishes to become a trans woman in the future? Again, if you are a seal, what advice can you give to a trans nene if she wishes to become a trans woman in the future? Your 60 seconds starts now.
You know what, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that as a human being, we start like a seed. And if I will give a message to that trans woman to become, if she wishes to become a trans woman someday, I would encourage him or her to become a strong, independent person. Because I myself experienced different challenges and chaos in life. But here I am, being strong, and that makes me what and who I am today. Thank you.
Short but